Hello, my name is Ranga from GN Network. So in this video I'm going to show you how to compress a video using Handbrake. So let's get into it. So first thing you need to do is you must have software called Handbrake. For who doesn't know what Handbrake is open source transcoder. So we will be using this software right now. Just download the software from link down below on the description. So as you can see here, I have video here with a huge size. It's 3 GB. So I want to compress this video so the size will be decreased, and just go to your Handbrake, click open source, click file, select your video, click open, and click browse. And you need to rename this file, you need to save this file. Just type, I just want to give this name compress. So save and just click start encode. It will take a few moments, just like 3 minutes. I'll be waiting. So I just finished the compression process. Let's have a look to the video size. I have two footages here, one before compress and one after compress. As you can see here, before I compress the video, it say 3 GB, and after I compress the video, it's just going to 88 MB. And so there's tutorial how to compress video easily using Handbrake. It's very useful software. You should try it. Don't forget to like,